Be strong.
Hi, and welcome to another tech tutorial. I'm Miraji, and I am a Google certified trainer and an educator, and I'm here to talk to you about my favorite Google Chrome extensions for teachers. So, what is a Chrome extension? Extensions are small software programs that customize the browsing experience. They enable users to tailor Chrome functionality and behavior to individual needs or preferences. So, how do we access these extensions? All you need to do is go to the Chrome Web Store. All extensions are available there, as well as custom themes you can add to your browser. Here is the Chrome Web Store. As you can see here, you can search the store. You can also add themes, check categories, and there's tons of great ones out there. I think it's really important to also be looking at how many reviews, because you don't really want to be using an extension that not a lot of people are using. So how do I manage my extensions? You should be logged into your Chrome browser with your Google account. I recommend that you have your profile synced. Then you click on the little puzzle piece that's right here, and you use the push buttons to show or hide your extensions. Those will show up here if you decide to show them. Click on Manage Extensions to get to the page where you can manage the permissions and remove extensions. So let's go over a few of my favorite extensions. First on the list is OneTab. So OneTab is really awesome. If you have so many tabs open, it can really slow down your computer. So click on one tab to convert all your tabs into a list. And when you need to access them again, you can either restore them individually or all at once. So with OneTab, you can save 95% of your memory because you will have reduced the number of tabs open in Google Chrome. And if you're like me, you like to open things up and you want to be using them later, but you don't want to actually bookmark them because you don't want them permanently, this is a great option for you. The next top of my charts is Screencastify. So Screencastify is a Chrome browser extension that records your screen, face, voice, and more. To use Screencastify, find its icon in the Chrome toolbar and choose among the recording options. You can record the single tab of your web browser, capture all screen activity, or just your webcam to record or insert a video of yourself. So while you're recording, you can use things like the toolbar to write, draw, and erase, keep time, restart, spotlight a section on the screen. So there's so much you can do. It's a really great option to create a quick blended learning part, to create a little screencast. It's really quick and easy, and it's great because it actually syncs into your Google account. My next top of the charts is Kami. Kami is a freemium tool, which means that there's a free version and a paid for version. It's an online document annotation and markup tool. So you start with a PDF, or other document types such as images can be opened and converted within Kami, but users can highlight, strike through, underline text. You can insert text boxes, add comments, even draw and add shapes, and it keeps it all in the cloud. So this is a really great tool because it allows basic annotation tools within a Google Drive integration. So it's all in the cloud. You don't have to worry about downloading, editing, uploading again. Now, the paid version obviously has more functionality with additional annotation tools, voice and video comments, and integration with Google Classroom and more. But the free version is really great, and I recommend you check it out. A couple other ones that are pretty cool are Tab Scissors and Tab Glue. These work really great together. Tab Scissors splits windows into two selected tabs, and Tab Glue just puts those windows back together. A couple other top of the charts are Bitmoji. I love the Bitmoji, and this extension allows you to quickly gain access to all your Bitmoji stickers, and they're really fun and great to add to presentations, to documents, to really personalize and make your material more fun. Remember, you do have to sign up for your account outside of this actual extension on your phone. Emoji Keyboard is also a great one. You can get a quick access to all different sorts of emojis. What I love about emojis is that you can provide visual interest, you can jazz up titles and emails, and so this is a really fun one to use. So Mote is a Chrome extension that makes it easy for anyone to add voice notes and feedback to documents and assignments. With Mote, you can easily share voice notes and feedback. It works with Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Classroom. As you can see here on the right, you can very easily be adding your comment by clicking the little comment plus button, and then you'll see on the field right here, you'll have the option for the Mote icon, and this will allow you to add your voice note. It's really quick and easy. Another great one if you're a Padlet user is Padlet Mini, which allows you to quickly add bookmarks of the best web page and adding them to your Padlet. It's pretty useful if you use Padlet. Another one that's pretty great is DFTube. So if you're ever showing YouTube videos in class, this can help you customize how your videos are being seen, disabling autoplay, hiding related videos, hiding sidebar, etc. So this is great if you're actually showing a video to your class. Other extensions that I really recommend are Evernote Web Clipper if you use Evernote, Grammarly, Edpuzzle, AdBlock, Equatio, and Small PDF. There's tons of other extensions out there. So if you have something in particular you're interested in, or you just sort of are curious about what's out there, go to the Chrome Web Store and just take a look. There's tons of them out there. I know students out there love customizing their cursors, but there's some actually really handy ones and some involving focus and other stuff. So, take a look. It's worth seeing what's out there that could actually help you. So again, I encourage you just to take a look at what's out there. There's tons of Chrome extensions and they're really awesome. And there could be something that really helps you with your workflow. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Help support my channel by subscribing and liking this video. And if you have any particular requests, put it in the comments below.